Hello kids. Today, we are diving into the juicy world of watermelons, one of the most refreshing fruits you can enjoy. Did you know that watermelons are not just yummy but also packed with great nutrients? That's right. These large, green fruits are made up of about 92% water, which means they are perfect for staying hydrated during those hot summer days. Watermelons come in many shapes and sizes. While most of us are familiar with the classic round or oval shape, did you know there are also seedless varieties and even mini watermelons? Each type can vary in color too. The flesh inside can range from bright red to deep yellow, and even orange. These colors come from natural pigments that are good for our eyes and skin. And let's not forget about the seeds. Some watermelons have seeds that you can spit out during picnics, while others are designed to be completely seedless. Now, let's explore where watermelons come from. Watermelons were first cultivated in Africa thousands of years ago. They were enjoyed by ancient Egyptians who even depicted them in their hieroglyphics. Today, watermelons are grown in many parts of the world, including the United States, where states like Florida and Texas produce tons of them each year. Picking out a watermelon at the store can be fun too. To find the best one, you want to look for a consistent shape, a uniform green color, and a yellow spot on the bottom. That spot indicates ripeness. Eating watermelon is a delightful experience, and there are so many creative ways to enjoy it. You can slice it up and have it as a snack, add it to fruit salads, or even blend it into smoothies. Some adventurous chefs even grill watermelon for a unique taste. Plus, because watermelons are so hydrating, they can help keep you cool and refreshed. And guess what? You can even use the rinds to make pickles. So the next time you bite into a sweet, juicy slice of watermelon, remember all the fun facts you've learned today. Watermelons are more than just a tasty treat, they are a nutritious fruit with a fascinating history. So, keep enjoying your watermelons, and don't forget to try out some exciting recipes. Happy snacking!